Hello, everyone. So, things you need to know about stoichiometry. Um, it is often compared with just baking cookies, doing something in your kitchen, because it's basically taking one substance and another substance, and you can have a reaction, and then you can have two different substances. So you have two reactants and two products, as you can see here. And if you're going to balance this equation, which you need to do, I need to have one of this molecule and two of these to make sure that this is going to react fully to have two new products. And so you can have a ratio here. I need one of these and two of these to have the reaction to go all the way. And let's use this as an example for stoichiometry. Is essentially balance an equation and then figure out how much I need to weigh out of each one of them. Because this balance equation here is telling me the mole ratio, telling me I need two of these and one of these to produce two water and one of these. So let's say that I have 3.10 grams of one of the substances. To figure out how many moles that is, I'm going to need the molar mass. And I can figure that out by using the periodic table. And so 3.10 grams, multiply that by 1 mole divided by the weight, which you see here. The weight is gram per moles, and then I'm going to find out what the mole is right here. And so what I know is the ratio of my reactants is 2 to 1. That's the mole ratio. So I do know that if I have this many moles of this substance, I am going to need twice as many moles of the other. So I essentially take how many moles I need of this substance and multiply it with 2. Because the ratio is 1 to 2. And then I can just convert it back by using how many moles I need of this substance right here and multiply it with the molar mass. And again, I need to go to the periodic table to find the molar mass of this molecule. And I will then get how much I need to weigh out of this molecule right here. As you can see, the molar ratio is 2 to 1, but I'm weighing out 10 grams and 2.5 grams, and you can see that the ratio 2 to 1 does not transfer to the weight because the molecules have different weight, they're different size. So I don't want the ratio to be the same in weight. I want them to be the ratio 2 to 1 in the amount of molecules. So that's why to get the mole ratio, I need to calculate how much in grams I need to weigh out. And you have then your cookie dough as much as you need in these substances to weigh them out. And this is essentially stoichiometry. We're gonna balance the equation, use the molar mass to figure out the weight of each of the reactants, and that's how you know how much you need to have a fully reacted reaction. So all the reactants are used.